Welcome to another episode of Walk With Me. In today's video, I'm doing an updated preview of the Harmony Beach Park, providing you with current information about the park, additional information on the amenities that I'm able to see, and the future amenities that are planned for the park, plus a few treasure shots where I give you a better view of the grounds and facilities. The Harmony Beach Park is still closed, but I was able to capture a sneak peek of certain areas for you, so please stay tuned. Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Artsy, your Jamaican tour guide. If you are interested in Jamaican vlogs, historical videos, and real-to-life views of the streets of Montego Bay, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. First, let's get an idea of where we are. Up there is Top Road. Up the hill we have Mount Alvernia High, and behind me is the city center building. Of course, KFC is right ahead there, and right here we have the St. James Parish Library, just to give you an idea of where we're at. This is the Cooke Boulevard. Now let me give you a backstory about Montego Bay's new public beach park. The 1.3 billion beach park project is being undertaken by the Urban Development Corporation. The park spans 16 acres of land right by the sea. This piece of land was previously called Dump Up Beach, and as the name suggests, it is reclaimed land. In previous years, Montego Bay Marine Park workers and volunteers would clean up this area as part of the International Coastal Cleanup Day annually. In the early stages of its construction, the park was referred to as Closed Harbour Beach Park. Then, in 2020, there was a Name the Park competition that ran for 3 weeks in August. The UDC received over 250 entries through their website, social media platforms, and drop boxes. The name that won the competition was obviously Harmony Beach Park. Many Montegonians are excited about the opening of the Harmony Beach Park that was previously scheduled for a limited opening on March 2nd, 2021. It has since been postponed as a result of the new protocols and will therefore open once the current restrictions are lifted. So basically what I'm seeing here is a play area for kids, and there is like a fencing around it to keep them safe. I see slides. That purple thing looks like a slide, and then I see swings as well. I'm not sure what the other section is, but I don't have kids, so I guess I would know. I'm going to try and get a better look when I get to the skate section here. So a nice little play area for the kids, and further down it looks like there's another play area, and of course the beach. And then right here, that little structure appears to be a gazebo with seats. Across the street from the park, there is the Moby Proper restaurant. Okay, I noticed that they have many different entrances on both Jimmy Cliff Boulevard and Cooke Boulevard, so that's lovely. It should make access to the park very easy. What I'm seeing now, that blue section is a multi-purpose court. Here's a closer look. Seems like it's a nice size multi-purpose court. I'm trying to make out if beyond that there is another. I'm not sure. There's some buildings behind it, and of course you can see the beach. I'm assuming that those buildings are restrooms, not sure because it's close to the beach. Right there is the running trail, and it extends all along and around the park. I'll show you a better view of it when I get up to the front section of the park. Many Montegoians are excited about the opening of the Harmony Beach Park that was previously scheduled for a limited opening on March 2nd, 2021. It has since been postponed as a result of the new protocols and will therefore open once the current restrictions are lifted. Unfortunately, a new date has not yet been shared with the public, but I will definitely let you know once I have that information. According to this article, when it opens, they will only be able to accommodate groups of 10. Therefore, if you are interested in visiting, you will have to book in advance. There will be limited access in the first month of opening. As a result, if you wish to swim at the beach, you will unfortunately have to wait a bit longer. You will, however, be able to move around and use the jogging trail. I am assuming that the black bars that I'm seeing along the running trail are lights. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? And also, if you look carefully beyond the running trail to that section, that paved section that seems to go towards the beach, there's actually seating, different seating areas along that walkway, I guess, in a sense. I will, when I get to the front of the park, you'll get a better view of it. Amenities. There's, of course, 16 acres of land for you to move around on. There's a beach, and a beautiful beach, if I do say so myself. Restroom facilities, of course, an activity center, a jogging trail, a multipurpose court, a promenade along the beach, free Wi-Fi access, and other amenities. According to this article, a key element of Harmony Beach Park is its business opportunities. Requests for proposals to design, build, and operate commercial spaces at the park have been put to the market, and information on the same may be sourced via the UDC's website. The corporation welcomes food and beverage opportunities, retail shopping, and entertainment activities in those areas. Oh my gosh, guys, this walkway goes all the way to the beach. I am thinking that it's going to be just a beautiful view there. And remember, they did mention that there is a promenade along the beach, so that should be perfect as well. So here's a closer shot of it with palm trees along the way. And here I'm showing you the jogging trail. Stretching all around the park. It's perfect. Now this is the front side of the park. One of the entrances on Cooke Boulevard. Let's get a closer look here as well. The Harmony Beach Park is currently the newest attraction and public facility in the city of Montego Bay, Jamaica. Old Hospital Park is the other public park in Montego Bay and is located further down on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The public beach park is right across the street from KFC on the Cooke Boulevard. There are multiple entrances on both Cooke and Jimmy Cliff Boulevards. This means that there is easy access to the park for whenever you're ready to visit. Can you believe that the park stretches a lot further? I think it goes all the way almost close to Bay West, a shopping center. So and there's actually another entrance at that section. There's a drive-in or walk-in entrance, and I'm actually going to take you all the way up to that section as well. Want to have a look at the 30 restaurants in Fairview, some of their menu options and where they are located in the complex? Hop on over to my last video on the left of your screen. You may also enjoy my Walk With Me playlist on your right. Okay, thank you very much for watching my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.